Hello viewer, welcome to Online Solve. This is ATM Hadiuzzaman. In this video I will show you how to remove Gmail account from your Android device. At first go to your phone setting, click on search bar and type accounts. Then click on accounts. Click on Google. You will see that all Gmail accounts are signed in to your device. Click the account you want to remove from this device. Then click on remove. You will see a permission pop up. Click on remove. You can see that the Gmail account has been removed. Okay viewer, thanks for watching.